Today, I'm exploring the Majestic side of the Farfisa engine. I fiddled with the Rotary early on, but decided to leave it on slow. Here I'm pulling back, but I'm about to build by adding in fifth harmonics and distortion to create a massive swell. This swelling dynamic is actually a lot like the bell pepper market right now. After last year's greenhouse oversupply, growers are finally seeing a 12% price swell. If you're holding pepper acreage, you're looking at pretty majestic return. Anyway, the Farfisa handles these builds nicely.